Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories Podcast. We're so happy you're here today.
In our last episode, we talked about a busy day at work. Today, the workday is over. Now it's time to relax.
We'll learn useful English for talking about evening activities, relaxing at home, cooking dinner, and spending time with family and friends.
As always, we'll speak slowly and clearly. So, let's begin.
David, it's 5 o'clock. Are you ready to go home?
Absolutely. I finished all my work for today.
That's great. How do you usually get home?
I usually drive home. It takes about 30 minutes. Sometimes there's a lot of traffic.
That doesn't sound very relaxing.
Not always, but I like listening to music while I drive. It helps me feel calm.
I usually take the bus. I often read a book or listen to a podcast during the ride.
That's a great way to use your time.
What do you do when you arrive home?
The first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes. Then I sit on the sofa and relax for a few minutes.
I do the same. After a busy day, it's nice to take a short break before doing anything else. Let's review some useful words and expressions from today's conversation. Drive home. To travel home by car. Example: I drive home after work every day. Traffic. Many cars on the road that make driving slow. Example: there is a lot of traffic on Friday evenings. Listen to music. To enjoy songs or music. Example: I like to listen to music while I drive. Take the bus. To travel by bus. Example: I take the bus to work every morning. Comfortable clothes. Clothes that feel soft and relaxing. Example: I change into comfortable clothes when I get home. Relax. To rest and feel calm after working. Example: I like to relax on the sofa after dinner. Take a short break. To stop working or doing something for a few minutes. Example: I take a short break before making dinner. Arrive home. To get home after being away. Example: I usually arrive home at 6 o'clock. David, what do you usually do after you relax?
I usually start making dinner.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do. Cooking helps me relax after a busy day.
What's your favorite dinner?
I like grilled chicken with rice and vegetables. It's simple and healthy.
That sounds delicious. I usually cook pasta or vegetable soup.
How long does it take you to cook dinner?
About 30 minutes. If I'm tired, I make something quick.
Me too. Sometimes I make a sandwich or an omelet.
Do you usually cook alone?
Sometimes, but on weekends I cook with my family. It's more fun.
I agree. Cooking together is a great way to spend time with family.
After dinner, we always clean the kitchen together.
That's a good habit. It makes the house clean and organized. Let's learn a few more useful expressions. Make dinner. To prepare and cook the evening meal. Example: I usually make dinner at 6:30.
Cook. To prepare food by heating it. Example: my father loves to cook.
Grilled chicken. Chicken cooked on a grill. Example: grilled chicken is one of my favorite meals.
Vegetable soup. A soup made with vegetables. Example: I often eat vegetable soup for dinner.
Omelet. A dish made with eggs. Example: an omelet is quick and easy to make.
Kitchen. To wash dishes and tidy the kitchen after cooking. Example: we clean the kitchen together every evening.
Spend time with family. To enjoy being with your family. Example: I like spending time with my family after dinner. Now it's your turn. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Sentence 1. I usually make dinner after work. Sentence 2. I enjoy cooking with my family. Sentence 3. My favorite dinner is grilled chicken and rice. Sentence 4. Sometimes I make an omelet when I'm tired. Sentence 5. We clean the kitchen after dinner. Excellent.
Now answer these questions in English. What's your favorite dinner? Do you usually cook by yourself or with your family? What do you usually do after dinner? Great job.
Now let's listen to a short story. Emma arrives home after work at 6 o'clock. She changes into comfortable clothes and relaxes for a few minutes. Then she goes to the kitchen. Today, she wants to make dinner. She cooks grilled chicken, rice, and fresh vegetables. While the food is cooking, she listens to her favorite music. Soon, her husband comes home. They enjoy dinner together and talk about their day. After dinner, they wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Later in the evening, they watch a funny movie together. Before going to bed, Emma reads a few pages of a book. She feels relaxed and happy. Tomorrow is another busy day, but tonight she enjoys a peaceful evening at home.
That sounds like a wonderful evening.
Yes, simple daily activities can be a great way to practice English.
Let's review today's expressions. Drive home. Traffic. Take the bus. Comfortable clothes. Relax. Make dinner. Cook. Grilled chicken. Vegetable soup. Omelet. Clean the kitchen. Spend time with family. Excellent.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. We hope today's episode helped you learn useful English for talking about your evening routine.
Now we'd like to hear from you. What do you usually do after work? Do you cook dinner, watch TV, read a book, or spend time with your family? Tell us in the comments using English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, follow, and share this podcast with your friends.
Keep listening. Keep speaking. And remember, every day is a great day to learn English.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Stories Podcast. Goodbye, everyone.